Welcome back to Drive Domination. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cars of 2025, from blazing speed to futuristic tech. Let's hit the road. Asterisk at number 1. It's the Tesla Model S Plaid, the king of electric performance. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, over 1,000 horsepower, and a top speed that'll leave Ferraris behind. And yes, it's got autopilot too. Asterisk, the legend is back. The 2025 Land Cruiser now packs a hybrid turbo engine, more efficient, but still unstoppable off-road. Modern tech, classic toughness, it's a beast for the wild. Asterisk, next up, the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. This electric rocket is rewriting the rulebook. Sleek, aggressive, and packing over 1,000 horses in GT trim. This isn't just an EV, it's a true driver's car. Asterisk fourth on our list, the Honda Civic Type R manual. Turbocharged, pure fun, with 315 horsepower and razor-sharp handling. This hot hatch proves that driving passion is still alive and well. Asterisk number 5, the Kia EV9, a full-size electric SUV with over 300 miles of range, stunning looks, and cutting-edge features. It's the family hauler, reimagined. Asterisk from raw power to next-gen tech. These are the top 5 cars dominating 2025. Which one would you drive? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic car content, only on Drive Domination.